Hi friends, welcome to Heart and Homestead with Dawn. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be working on making some refrigerator pickles because as my husband was tending the cucumbers this morning, he found lots and lots and lots of cucumbers. So if you're ready, let's get going. So first I want to show you a little bit about the different variety of cucumbers we have here. So in this bowl, these are called Bostic. They are just pickling cucumbers. And then in this bowl right here, these are called gherkins, also pickling cucumbers. And then up here on the counter, these are Market More, which are edible, just for eating, slicing, salads, but I'm also going to juice them. So before we can get going, making our cucumber pickles, we need to sterilize our jars. And I just want to show you a real fast way that we use to sterilize. This is a beautiful water bath canner. And basically all you need to do is fill up your water bath canner a couple of inches with water and turn your jars. Now make sure that you washed your jars in hot soapy water. Turn your jars upside down, bring your water to a boil, and then time it for 10 minutes and you will have nice sterilized jars. A real fast, easy way to sterilize your jars. So for this recipe, super easy recipe, we are just using some fine sea salt. I use a pink Himalayan organic. You can use whatever you want. We are using some black peppercorns. We're using some mustard seed, some fresh garlic, rice vinegar, red pepper flakes, bay leaves, and then we're gonna go outside and harvest some fresh dill. All you need to do this is a good mandolin or a nice sharp knife and a cutting board. You ready? Let's go. So our recipe calls for 5 to 6 fresh dill sprigs per jar, and this is the freshest I'm gonna get right here. So we're gonna go ahead and harvest this, bring it in the house. I'm even gonna get some flower heads to put on top of the jar. Not only does it look beautiful, but it'll add a nice flavor. Okay, so I have done 3 jars already, and I'm gonna show you the last jar. So the thing with doing refrigerator pickles is you want to layer. So we're gonna start by layering. Of course, my hands are clean already. We're gonna layer a couple layers of the pickles that I already have, the cucumbers that I already have sliced up. And here's the great thing about this. You can make spears, you can make slices, you can make them as thin or as thick as you like. This is the way that we like them. So after putting some in the jar, I'm gonna go ahead and add some garlic. So we're putting 4 cloves of thinly sliced garlic. And again, if you don't like garlic, omit the garlic. Then we're gonna put in some fresh dill. And then we're gonna go ahead and add another layer, and we're going to do that until our jar is full. If you love dill, add as much as you want. I'm adding more fresh dill. If you don't love dill, don't add it. But you're gonna get a different flavor pickle without the dill. You also don't have to add the garlic. You don't have to add the peppercorns or the mustard seeds. I mean, that's the great thing about recipes is that you can start with a base and then make it your own. Make sure you leave enough headspace in here to add your brine. So I am gonna stop right there. I'm going to add a flour. This is the flour of the dill, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the very top of my jar. Then over here, I have 1 1/3 cups of water with, I think it's 1/3 cup of vinegar. I'm going to add a bay leaf to the jar. I'm going to add the rest of the spices to the water and vinegar mixture and just whisk that up a little bit. You want a nice wide mouth jar funnel. It just makes things easier when you're canning. Once you get that whisked up nicely, go ahead, continue whisking gently as you pour your brine in over your pickles. You may have a little left over, and that's okay. I try to get in all of the seeds. It's filled to the brim. Because these are refrigerator pickles, I'm not going to make a big deal out of wiping the top of my jar as I would when you regular can. Go ahead and cap it off and then turn it upside down. Try and get all those spices nicely mixed inside, and don't forget to label, because I have 2 different types of pickles. I used rice vinegar in one of them. I used white vinegar in another. I'm just curious to see what the difference in flavor is going to be. So that's it. This is a quick, easy refrigerator pickle. I will put the recipe in the description, and it will also appear on the screen. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you will give these easy pickles a try. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, share, comment, and like. And I look forward to doing more with you in the future. Bye.